It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and we're back on Build a Boat. And today's shout out goes to alternateun. So go check him out. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more awesome videos. And since I'm on a new account, I lost all my stuff on my other account, so I lost the magic bus and the grinder. But I'll rebuild it. I just need stuff to make it. So, see you guys then. Rest in peace, my magic bus. I'm just gonna ask him if he has a boat or something we can go on to get to the end or not. But if we don't get to the end, it's fine, unless we just get gold. And it's just a game, so we can't get mad about it. Wow, his car looks so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna be a little silent, and I'm gonna speed things up, so yeah. Ah, we flipped. Oh no. I'm just gonna jump so I can oof and then see what we can make with some of the blocks I got. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump because we just flipped, so I don't think we're gonna get back up. Okay, so sorry about the background noise. It's my brother again. So we're gonna do one of those challenges. Okay, so I don't know, but the soccer challenge, it doesn't work and you can't put blocks anymore. And I tried pushing it, but it's like kind of heavy to push when there's only one person or two. So I don't know. I think we're just gonna do a different challenge because I don't know, but we can't do this one. I already know the glitch that he alternateun is doing. I did it once, but it never worked on me again. So I don't know. I think he's gonna let me try the glitch. If he does, well thanks, alternateun. Oh, okay, now it's working. Well, I'm gonna get one of these when I get the gold I need. So I can make the grinder. And yeah, that's all. So let's go and try to get to the end. Well, it fell so we're just gonna oof. So goodbye, world. And just kidding. Well, at least we got some gold and some chests, so that's kind of good. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more awesome videos. Stay safe and stay awesome. Peace.